जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि. Today we are going to discuss one of the concept of class 6 angle relationship of two parallel lines when it is intersected by a transversal line. AB and CD are two parallel lines denoted by F and G, and the transversal line EF, which is denoted by small h. These, this, these two lines are parallel, and this is a transverse line. A line which is intersecting both the parallel line is a transversal line. Parallel line means the lines, the distance between them are always equal, or they never meet each other. Alright? In other words, simple word we can say. Now this is prepared on GeoGebra, so it is all interactive. We'll change the different position and see the what angle we are getting, corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, some of the same side of the transversal line, some of the angles of same side of a transversal line. We'll see here. Now here, you see here in this condition, it is visible clearly. These two vertically opposite angles are equal at this point, at point A, and these two angles, these two lines are intersecting, so these are vertically opposite. These angles are, this pair of angles are equal, vertically opposite angle, because they are vertically opposite angle. Now the same line is intersecting at P also, at point P. Here also, हाँ, अब देखिए 50-50 था, 130-130 था. डेसिमल राउंड ऑफ में थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है, तो इसे अब देखिए 50-50 यहाँ है, 130-130, यहाँ भी 130-130, 50 और ये 50, यहाँ भी बिल्कुल सेम. मतलब आप ये कहिए कि इसका बिल्कुल कॉपी है. सेम साइड में ये इधर ये 130, तो नीचे वाला 130 होगा, ये 50 है, ये ऊपर 50, तो इसके अपोजिट में ये 50 होगा. अब ये एंगल का यहाँ पर देखिए क्या है कि करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स क्या हुआ, ये पेयर 130-130, ये एंगल दोनों करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल एक पेयर हुआ. दूसरा पेयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल का क्या हुआ, ये हुआ 50 और 50 की वैल्यू है. तीसरा करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल की वैल्यू ये है. मतलब करस्पॉन्डिंग कैसे कंसिडर करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन and above the parallel line. So this is above the parallel line and left side of the, this angle is above the this parallel line and left side to the transversal line. This angle is equal to this angle. This corresponds why? Because it is right side above the parallel line, right side of the transversal line above the parallel line, right side of this transversal line and above this parallel line. Similarly, this angle is left side to the transversal line and below the this line. Similarly, this also, this angle 50 degree, this angle is left to the transversal line and below the this parallel line. So, and similarly for this angle also, we can say this angle is right side and below the parallel line, right side of the transversal. Below the parallel line, right side the transverse. So these are the four pair of corresponding. One pair, this is second pair, this third pair, this, they are equal, and fourth pair of corresponding side angles are equal. Now alternate interior angle. This 130 and 130. It is right side below the this parallel line. This is left side, right side and below. So left side and above. Alternate interior angle ये हो गए. This 130 is equal to this and 130. Alternate angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So another pair of interior alternate angle will be this 50 degree and this 50 degree. They are equal. So alternate interior angles are equal. In this case of two parallel lines bisected by a transversal line. Then alternate interior angles are equal. Number one, corresponding angles are equal. This, and this angle and this angle. And third, the sum of the interior angle on the same side of a transverse line is 180. 50, same side, this left side of this transversal line. Interior angle. Interior, sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transverse left of the transverse line is 50 here. Left to the transverse line is interior, not outside. In दोनों A between the AB and CD. These are outside the parallel. These two angles. So sum of 50 plus 130, 180. So third this condition is also satisfied. This angle 50 or 130 and plus 50, 180. So these two angles are right to the transversal line. Interior angle right to the transversal line. This and these two angles left to the transversal line, interangles, but left to the transversal line. Their sum is 100. So this 130, 130. It is one case which I have already drawn. But it is not only in one case only. It is possible for all other cases. I am sitting here, point M, shifting the point M here. You see 130, 113, 113, 67, 67. This 67, this 67, 113, 113. These are matching. It means it will satisfy all the three conditions which we have already discussed. Again, now I am bringing next position. Now you see, in this case also all the four angles are equal. So we have in third, fourth position also we can and we will get the values. And we will see if this condition also. So all the three condition what we have discussed is satisfied at every point. Even we can take here this thing. Now you can see 159, 159, 21, 21, 21 here, 159, 159. This 159 it is not because we have taken this. Now you can see I am shifting the angle. We have taken this from B. 156, 156 here, 156, 24, 24 and so on. This point D we can not So we can move at infinite number of point and get the infinite number of figures, and always values satisfying the three condition that corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and sum of the same side on the transversal line are is 180 degree. So all the three condition is satisfied. I hope you would have understood this concept and learn it by seeing again and again. Best of luck. जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।